Welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. Keep on learning and practicing the grammar and vocabulary daily. Be consistent. That's the key to success. Today, we shall learn the present perfect continuous tense with some examples and practice questions. Please watch the lessons, introduction, all tenses, simple present tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense in the grammar playlist. Let's start. English grammar, present perfect continuous tense. It is also called present perfect progressive tense, and it is used to show that an action started in the past and has continued till the present moment. So this present perfect continuous tense is also called present perfect progressive tense, because here the action will be started in the past and is still continuing. The structure, as we have seen in the previous lessons, a subject plus has or have plus been plus V4, that is ing form of the verb. With the singular subject, we use has, and with plural subject, have. See the examples. First one, we have been studying for the last 2 years. So clearly this started in the past and still continuing. So we use present perfect continuous tense. We plus have plus been plus ing form of study, that is studying, and for a time duration for the last 2 years. Second one, he has been doing yoga for 1 hour. For 1 hour, he has been doing yoga. He plus has plus been plus ing form of do. Third one, I have been waiting for you here since morning. Since morning, that's a point of time. Since morning, I have been waiting for you here. I plus have plus been plus ing form of wait. I have been waiting. Here, from or since is used for a point of time in the future or past, as we have seen in the previous example. For is used for a time duration, that is 2 hours, 20 years, like that. Examples, we have been friends since childhood. Since childhood, there is a point of time in the past. Since childhood, we have been friends. We plus have plus been. She has been suffering from fever for 2 days. She plus has plus been plus ing form of suffer, that is suffering, from fever for 2 days, a time duration for 2 days. The past 2 days she has been suffering from fever. See a statement here. You have been waiting here for 2 hours. You have been waiting here for 2 hours. For 2 hours, time duration. Started in the past and still continuing. You plus have plus been plus ing form of wait. So if we are converting this to a question, how we do it? Have you been waiting here for 2 hours? Have you been waiting here for 2 hours? This how is shifted to here. Before the subject, the auxiliary verb have will come first, then the subject. Have you been waiting here for 2 hours? Again, we need to make a negative sentence from this statement. So how we'll do it? You have been waiting here for 2 hours. For that, we simply put a note in between have and been. You have not been waiting here for 2 hours. You have not been waiting here for 2 hours. So that is how a negative is formed. Placement of adverbs like always, only, never, ever, still, just. See the example. You have only been waiting here for 1 hour. So these adverbs are placed in between have and been. You have only been waiting here for 1 hour. If you are saying you only have been waiting here for 1 hour, that is wrong. The right usage is you have only been waiting here for 1 hour. Second one, I have always been your best friend. Always is used in between have and been. I have always been your best friend. Third one, he has never been my best friend. He has never been my best friend. So never comes in between has and been. So this is all about the present perfect continuous tense. You may revise it once or twice. Now let's go to the question session. There are 5 questions. First one, they dash for the last 1 hour. Options, talked, have been talking, are talking. So there is a time duration, last 1 hour, and clearly it is an action started in the past and still continuing. So we need to use present perfect continuous tense, that is have plus been plus ing form of talk. Have been talking. They have been talking for the last 1 hour. So that is the right answer. Second one, she dash at that company for 3 years. For 3 years. Again, a time duration. So we need to use the present perfect continuous, that is has plus been plus working. She has been working at that company for 3 years. Third one, James has been teaching at the university since June. James is teaching at the university since June. Two sentences are there. We need to choose the right one. Since June, a point of time in the past, and the action is still continuing. So the present perfect continuous, that is has plus been plus ing form of teaching, is the right sentence. So this one is right. Second one is wrong. Fourth, what you have been doing. Interrogative sentence or question. What have you been doing? So which one is right? Just now we have seen that we need to use the auxiliary verb before the subject. So second one is the right. Have you been is the right when we are making it an interrogative sentence. What have you been doing? This is right. This is wrong. Fifth one, she always has been doing a nice job. She has always been doing a nice job. Here also, the adverb should come in between has and been. So second one is the right. First one is wrong. So here ends this session. If you like the session, like, subscribe, and press the bell button for all notifications and share with your friends. See you in the next lesson tomorrow. Thank you.